Dear students, in this session we are going to see problems under gram equal mass. Gram equal mass problems. Alright. Sums under gram equal mass, which is given in evaluate yourself. The question is 0.456 gram of a metal. Gram of a metal gives 0.606 gram of its chloride. 0.456 gram of a metal gives 0.606 gram of its chloride. Calculate equal mass. Equal mass is asked. Of course, calculation may involve the class table and all. Let me take here. Mass of metal we know. Mass of metal is given, mass of metal chloride is also given. Metal chloride. Let me write mass of metal chloride, which is 0.606 gram. Mass of metal is given, which is 0.456 gram. If you subtract, you will get mass of chlorine. Mass of chlorine is equal to 6 minus 6, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 1, so 15 gram, 0.15 gram. So mass of chlorine is found to be 0.15 gram. Now, the question is what is the equal mass? Now, in what way it has to be solved? As per the definition for equal mass, what is the definition? Equal mass of an element or substance is the number of grams of the metal that combines with or displaces 35.45 gram of chlorine, 1.008 gram of hydrogen, or 8 gram of oxygen, or 35.45 gram of chlorine. Here it is chlorine, and therefore mass of the metal that combines with 35.45 gram of chlorine is said to be the equal mass. Here, as per the given data, mass of metal which combines with 0.15 gram of chlorine is equal to 0.606. Sorry, 0.456. The mass of the metal that combines with 0.15 gram of chlorine is this much gram. Therefore, mass of metal which would combine with 35.45 gram of chlorine, that will give the answer. That's all. So, in practice, in our experiment, we have seen 0.15 gram of chlorine reacted with 0.456 gram of metal. Therefore, the mass of metal that would combine with 35.46 has to be calculated. That will give the answer. So that arithmetic calculation part you can do. Otherwise, I have calculated. The value is found to be, it is approximately 3 times. 3 into 3 approximately 105, but it slightly higher than that. The answer comes to 107.92 gram per equivalent. Alright. So 0.15 gram combines with 0.456 gram of metal. Here 35.46 is the equal mass of chlorine, gram per equivalent. So you will be getting this here. That's all. That is about first sum given in the evaluate yourself. Second sum, let me go into the second sum. Evaluate yourself. See, as I am moving as per your book, +1 chemistry book. All the extra things we'll be doing at the end of this chapter. So what is the next question? Calculate the equivalent mass of potassium diagromate. Equal mass of potassium diagromate is asked. The reduction of reaction acid medium, that we have given already. Equal mass of potassium diagromate is asked, and off reaction, that we have already solved, is it not? What is the off reaction? Oxidation off reaction, only the oxidation part. Cr2O7, 2 minus. In the presence of acid, gains electron to become Cr3 plus. That is the oxidation of reaction. How many? 7 oxygen, therefore 7 H2O. 14 hydrogen, therefore 14 H plus. If we forget about electrons, 12 plus, here 6 plus. Why 6 plus? 2 Cr, therefore 6 plus. Remaining 8, therefore 8. Remaining 6, therefore 6 electrons. 14 plus, 2 minus, minus 2. 12 plus. This side we have 6 plus. Excess 6 minus we should have to nullify excess 6 plus. So this is the oxidation half reaction. Reduction of the reaction may be with the ferrous sulfate, so that ferrous ion will become ferric ion. This is how we have to write. The reduction of reaction will be Fe2 plus will become Fe3 plus by the gain of electron. Ferrous ion will become ferric ion by the loss of electron. We will be summing up and we will be getting the net reaction. Now the question is, calculate the equal mass of potassium diagromate. We have calculated, I think we have calculated already, potassium 2 into 39, 78, and for chromium 2 into 52, 104. For oxygen 7 into 16, 16 into 7 we have calculated like this, 4, 11, 112. The sum 8 plus 2, 10, plus 4, 14, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 7, 9, 294. This molar mass. So equivalent mass is equal to, equal mass of potassium diagromate is equal to molecular mass or molar mass divided by equivalence factor, which is 6. Molar mass is 294, equivalence factor 6. When it is divided, you will be getting 49 gram per equivalent. That's all. This is how we have to calculate sums under equal mass. The remaining sums, so many sums may be available, that we will be discussing little bit later. Thank you.